Cur sí sort hen. Describe yourself. Now this literally breaks down as put down on yourself, but doesn't mean by putting down on yourself. This is putting a definition down on yourself. So describe yourself, put down a definition on yourself. So put down on yourself. Cur sí sort hen. Or cur sí sort féin. Hen in the Ulster dialect, féin other dialects of Irish. Okay. Cur sí sort féin. Ken sort duine hu. Is duine bump me. Is duine cardinal me. Is duine bioga me. Is duine dígrasach me. Is duine dúratach me. Is duine neamhsplach me. Is duine fatach me. Is duine callanach me. Is duine leiscail me. Is duine ulvénach me. Is duine granóchach me. Is duine jazz me. Is duine cineálta me. Is duine jazz cineálta me. Is duine jazz cineálta tú. Is duine jazz cineálta é. Is duine jazz cineálta í. Is daoine jazz cineálta iad. Gur maith agat, slán, thanks for watching.